Now it's available at McCarthy Cars, Audi A4, S-Line Quattro, 14 plate 2014, metallic grey. Car has front daylight, it's got front fog lights, front parking sensor. Car has 18-inch alloy wheels. Car has rear parking sensors. Split folding rear seats. Full grey leather interior. It's got sides and front airbags. 5 headrests. ISOFIX. 4 electric windows. Got electric and folding mirrors. Front auto headlights. Car has satellite navigation. Telephone Bluetooth connection. DAB radio. Media. Jukebox. 2-zone climate control, air conditioning, heated seats, auto start-stop function. Car has 6-speed manual gearbox, has multifunction steering wheel. Thank you for watching.